Hi, my name is Benjamin, and this is the Concept EQV, the first battery electric people mover in the premium segment. With a 150 kilowatt motor and a battery capacity of 100 kilowatt hours, the Concept EQV has a range of up to 400 kilometers and a top speed of 160 kilometers per hour. Energy is supplied by a high voltage battery which is integrated into the underbody, and thanks to fast charging, a range of 100 kilometers can be charged in just 15 minutes. The electric motor is accommodated on the front axle, ensuring good driving characteristics. For us, MPVs should have one major quality: functionality. That's why we integrated the battery into the underbody of the vehicle. This makes our seating concept just as variable as you expect. The Concept EQV is ready for all tasks. It takes the little ones to kindergarten or the bigger ones to the next airport or outdoor adventure. This vehicle combines all the benefits of a people mover with electrification suitable for everyday use. We're planning to present a series production vehicle based on the Concept EQV at this year's Frankfurt Auto Show, so stay tuned.